So this is one of the video I play to make money on Telegram, and this is what the game looks like. You just have to kill the zombie and fight the boss. And the boss, you only have 38 seconds to kill the boss. If I'm unable to kill the boss, they are going to tell me time is up. So we are together playing it together and see what is going to say in the next 38 seconds. I don't think I will be able to kill this because I don't think all my equipment is like well upgraded enough to defeat this boss. So after knowing the outcome of this boss, I'm going to show you how I enter this game, how I play it. The link to this game is going to be in the description below. I think I might win this boss in just one, two. Yes, I won the boss. I don't think I will win. So I won. So you can see this 400 Z, something that looks like Z. It is what I'm compiling. Once it reach one certain amount and the game is ready to list, that is where I'm going to like see and collect my money. So I won't waste this chance. Let's see if I'm still going to defeat this boss also. And also these game features, what you are going to be doing is like you are going to press skill from skill, you are going to upgrade your skills, yeah, draw to get your skills, then X. Also I want this. You can see what they give me, and these are stuff I used in order to get money. And I'm on chapter 6 right now. So also I'm going to buy airdrop this box. You can see this box that 60 is on it. I'm just going to click this auto. Once I click this auto and go, this box will automatically open itself and sell all the stuff. And I only have to equip all the one I wanted to equip. Wow, this is a new boss. And here is where I upgrade my airdrops, and the upgrade still remain 30 hours. Then I think I should win this one in how many seconds now. And so let me just take you guys to how I open this game. mm, I have to close, back, 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 back. So on my Telegram I have this stuff called Cartesian. And when I played this Cartesian, I was giving over 120 USDC. And inside this Cartesian, that is where the game is Bombie. Then I'm going to press this back airdrop pass. So in case you press the link and it took you to the game directly and you don't know how to get your way around it, this is how to find your way around it. Then press game. Once you press game, you just come for this Bombie. After you press it, play, it's going to load. It's loading. Then play. Then the game will keep loading. Then you have to participate in the game. Play, play, play till you a good level.